fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, don't stand on the...
That's the one who gets his face blown off.
Alright mate, I'll stand back a little bit.
So stand up in where you can't move.
It's gonna be massive.
It's full of lads, but I don't know.
It's full of lads, mate, it's sound.
Get back to me.
Where is it?
Oh god, something's doing it. It's a t-shirt sprayed with window. It's in the middle of the box thing.
Alright.
I don't know where to go!
Go in there, go in there.
Go in the back yard. How much you have to be paying to stand in the
Look
back?
how I'll just read it, it'll be funnier from afar. Just stand there, that's a mindy.
How many cans in there? We need to count how many bags.
4.
4 cans.
No, because if one goes, they'll all go.
Chain reaction.
Have you shut the back door? Make sure the back door's shut. Everyone fucking comes inside.
I love it.
Actually, that'd be quite cool.
Imagine if the Pollens walk through the back door now.
Oh, there's definitely still people there, like.
Okay, there might be another one. Oh no.
I think there is.
Fucking hell, my heart is racing.
No, there's one more.
No, but maybe it got blown up by the rest of them.
No.
Yeah, we've got the bag after that.
I think it's gone.
Fuck, that last one was absolutely.
I'm sure the window vibrated.
It definitely did. Flames came up the window.
Nah, the other one's...
Yeah,
It's knocked the piece of wood off.
yes. It hit the wood, so it was actually quite a good shout from us.
Cheers, mate.
Fucking hell. There's absolutely no way the police aren't coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's been about the second explosion.
I know. They're not all through.
Well, what's your regular?